After gathering reviews from all over the internet, this is what users have to say about the Desk-Fidget-Toys for Ferris wheel spinner. A kinetic metal spinner designed for stress relief and focus, suitable for office, home, or school environments. If you own this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel. The Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris wheel spinner by Samilalago stands out as a unique blend of functionality, design, and tactile satisfaction. Measuring 2.7 by 0.7 by 2.7 inches and weighing 2.4 ounces, its compact form factor makes it an ideal addition to any workspace, whether on a crowded office desk, a student study area, or a home office setup. The all-metal construction immediately gives a sense of durability and quality, surpassing the expectations typically set by fidget toys in this price range. Users consistently note that the spinner feels substantial in hand, with a pleasing weight that enhances the spinning experience without being cumbersome to carry or use. The core feature of this product is its dual-purpose design. It serves as both a handheld fidget spinner and a stationary kinetic desk ornament thanks to its removable metal stand. When docked, the spinner transforms into a miniature Ferris wheel, adding a touch of sophistication and visual intrigue to your workspace. The kinetic motion is mesmerizing, with many users reporting that a single flick can keep the spinner rotating for 4 to 6 minutes, thanks to its high-quality enclosed ball bearings. This extended spin time is not just a technical achievement, but also a key aspect of its appeal, as it allows users to zone out, brainstorm, or simply take a mental break while watching the smooth, nearly silent rotation. One of the most praised aspects of the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris wheel spinner is its near-silent operation. The inclusion of small rubber pads for the base is a thoughtful touch, significantly reducing noise and making it suitable for quiet environments such as offices, classrooms, or libraries. Users highlight that this spinner is the quietest they have encountered, allowing for discreet fidgeting during meetings, lectures, or phone calls without disturbing others. This feature alone sets it apart from many competing products, which often suffer from distracting rattles or clicks. Aesthetically, the spinner's minimalist, all-metal design and Ferris wheel motif make it more than just a toy. It serves as an elegant desk decoration, drawing positive attention from colleagues and visitors. Several reviewers mention that the spinner becomes a conversation starter, with coworkers and friends eager to try it out. Its visual appeal is complemented by the satisfying tactile feedback when spinning, making it both a functional stress relief tool and a stylish accessory. From a usability perspective, the spinner is highly versatile. The removable design allows users to switch between using it as a kinetic desk toy and a traditional handheld fidget spinner. This flexibility is especially appreciated by those who like to keep their hands busy during periods of deep thought or stress. The smooth, balanced spin is attributed to the innovative placement of the ball bearings on the outermost portion of the wheel, which not only improves balance and spin duration, but also eliminates pinch points and enhances safety. This design improvement has been specifically noted by collectors and enthusiasts who have experience with similar products, marking it as a significant upgrade over previous generations of Ferris wheel fidget spinners. Performance-wise, the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris wheel spinner consistently delivers on its promises. Users report that it spins for an impressively long time with minimal effort, and the motion remains stable and visually pleasing throughout. The included cloth pad serves a dual purpose. It can be used to clean the spinner and also placed under the base to further dampen any residual noise. This attention to detail in the accessory package demonstrates a clear understanding of the needs of fidget toy users, who often value both practicality and aesthetics. The spinner is marketed as a stress relief tool suitable for a wide range of users, from children and teens to adults. Its recommended age is 3 years and up, making it accessible to nearly everyone. Reviewers from various backgrounds, students, office workers, creative professionals, and even fidget toy collectors have found it beneficial for maintaining focus, relieving anxiety, and providing a satisfying outlet for restless hands. Many users note that it is particularly helpful during long meetings, brainstorming sessions, or periods of creative block where the act of spinning helps to clear the mind and foster concentration. Gift-giving potential is another strong point for this product. The Ferris wheel spinner is frequently mentioned as an excellent gift idea for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions such as Valentine's Day, Easter, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. Its universal appeal and high-quality construction make it a thoughtful present for anyone who spends significant time at a desk or is prone to stress and anxiety. The affordable price point, combined with the perceived value and build quality, leads many reviewers to describe it as a bargain, especially when compared to other desk toys or fidget spinners that offer less in terms of design and performance. Despite its many strengths, there are a few minor drawbacks to consider. Some users caution that the spinner is so captivating that it is easy to lose track of time while watching it spin, potentially leading to unintentional distractions. While this is more a testament to its engaging design than a flaw, it is worth noting for those who may be prone to procrastination. Additionally, as with all small desk accessories, there is a risk of misplacing the spinner or its components, especially in cluttered environments. However, the sturdy construction and included stand make it less likely to be lost or damaged compared to smaller, less robust fidget toys. The Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris wheel spinner ranks highly in its category, holding a solid position among the best-selling fidget spinners and earning an average customer rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars from dozens of reviewers. The overwhelming majority of feedback is positive, with users praising its build quality, quiet operation, long spin time, and aesthetic appeal. Negative comments are rare and generally limited to personal preferences rather than product defects or design flaws. In summary, the Desk-Fidget-Toys for Ferris wheel spinner by Lago is a standout product in the world of kinetic desk toys and fidget spinners. Its combination of durable all-metal construction, innovative design, and exceptional performance make it a favorite among users seeking stress relief, improved focus, or simply a visually pleasing desk accessory. The dual functionality as both a handheld spinner and a stationary Ferris wheel adds to its versatility, while the near-silent operation ensures it can be used in any environment without causing disruption. The thoughtful inclusion of accessories like the rubber pads and cleaning cloth further enhance its usability and value. If you are looking for a high-quality, affordable, and engaging fidget toy that doubles as a stylish desk ornament, the Desk-Fidget-Toys Ferris wheel spinner is an excellent choice. Its widespread acclaim from users across the internet speaks to its effectiveness and appeal. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. And don't forget, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps bring more in-depth reviews like this to you.